Today, today we are not doing maths, not science either quiz. Today we are doing India quiz and the famous monuments of India. So, let's start the quiz. Start. There'll be a bonus also. Question 1, get ready. It's a yeah. Correct answer plus 100. And there's also a time bonus. Get ready. This is the Taj Mahal. Next is question 3 is coming. It is the Red Fort. You have to follow the two. They say 200. Points we get. Yay! Now let's get question 4. Get ready! So this is a summer place in the Jaipur. It's called Hawa Mahal. There's a Taj Mahal, then there's a Hawa Mahal. This question 5. Get ready. So this is called Charlie. So it's correct. Plus 100. Time bonus plus 25. Get ready. This is called the Meenakshi Temple. Yay, correct. We got to 834 and let's get through. Now we have to follow the 200. 200. We got 200. So get ready. This is called Temple. Oh, it's actually called the Sun Temple. This is how we'll get wrong. But don't worry, just for learning. It's called Saachi Stupa. Saachi Stupa. Question 9. Get ready. So this is called the Gateway of India. And last one. This is the last one. We are going to get it. So we have to follow 200. Oh no, we have to be quick this time. Still are and the time bonus is 17. Now this is the game quiz. So in the end you can show the answers or start again, or you can see the leaderboard. Now this is the end of today's quiz. See you next time in next time's quiz. Bye.